Alright, so I am demonstrating this little thing I caught. It's called a screw extractor, because this Allen head is stripped. No matter what size I have, it will not work. So I just bought this, and let's see which one will work for it. This one might be it because it's super stripped. So let's see. If this doesn't work, God help me, I don't know what else I'm gonna use. Okay, the screw is stuck in there. Come on, I'm gonna pray that this thing actually helps out. God, this thing is not trying to come out at all. It's trying to grip it. Damn, it's really like tough. I don't know, guys. If this doesn't take it out, I don't know what is going to take it out. It's trying to grip it. Try to do as slow as I can. It gripped it a little bit. Oh, there it goes. Oh, it's coming. Come on, keep going. I gotta go slow. I don't want to strip it. My God, this thing is a freaking gem. I could probably just use my finger after this now. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It literally worked. I was struggling so bad. Oh, I got to clean my mess. Right here, guys. Screw extractor. It will take out any strip screw. It could be any screw you have at home that's stripped. It will take it out. Just got to get the right angle. Thank you for watching.